Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from LAMPHOME. It is 100 decorative lights, and it is 32 and a half feet, I guess is what it's going to be here. 9 meters it says, and it says 30,000 hours of life. And well, let's check this thing out, see what we got. So it looks like here we got it in the bag. It comes with the little plug to plug it in, with a long lead wire and then some connectors to connect the different sections together. But let's go ahead and just plug this in and see what we got here. And there it is. Okay, let me see. Why is it all twisted up? Oh, here we go. We have a twist tie on it. So here we go. I'm still tied up. I think I did this, opened it wrong, but we got it in knots. But here, I'm going to hold it right here just so we can see what it does, because there's a button on it. So this has all the lights on it right now. I push a button here, and now we have like a fading. So the way it is it goes this side then this side. So once you have it as a long string, like these are stringed here, it's like alternating lights that are going to do this. So it's kind of cool that I'm able to show it this way. And then we'll push the button again. And it looks like it's just going a little faster. Here, now it's on, off. And you can see here, alternating ones on and off and on and off. Cool. And then here, this looks just a dim light. Oh, it's a fading light. I see. It kind of fades on and off, sort of alternating as well. It's interesting. So these fade on, these fade off, and do that. This one here, we got some random lights flashing back and forth. Let's see, this one here, yeah, just on and off with a little bit of delay. Oh, these ones here, just everything flashes on and off. This one here, one side's flashing and one side's on. And now the other side's flashing and the other side's on. Interesting. And this doing it here somewhat faster. And now everything's just flashing and they're off. Okay, so those are all our signals here. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to have a nice long 30-foot section, and you can see it's a good 3-wire one here. So that means that shows that each light is individually controlled. They're all little IC controls. So that's how it's able to do alternating lights and things like that. And then you have your little connector here. So if you have another set of lights, you're able to unscrew this and screw it on as well. It's going to have that normal. Here, I'll open it up and show you. It's got that little normal 2-pin connector. I don't know how it goes from a 2-pin connector to 3-wire light, but that's the magic of Christmas lights. But how cool. So, and this little screw-on thing here is going to keep it waterproof as well. So great for outdoor use. And we're golden. So this is nice little setup here. I don't know what color those lights were flashing. They might be flashing a certain color. I think this whole chain is pink maybe, but I'm colorblind, so you guys will have to tell me. But very cool. I like this whole little setup. I don't know what I did here. I got the little clip. There we go. So now it's clipped on. So if you did take off the cap, you wouldn't lose it. But really cool. Nice little setup here. And it came with the little plug for it as well. So you got everything you need here. You just get it going and plug it in and start stringing it around the house or the fence or wherever you want it. So that's what it's going to look like. Very cool. LAMPHOME. Thumbs up.